I mean, man, shit real. It's real. You know, niggas be talking and I don't even know sometimes, man. Like I'm just in a snap. Check this out, man. It's even thinking like that, right? The process of that thought. We all got free will. So as soon as you start, thinking like that, like, yeah, like I'm gonna pop his ass or I'm gonna do something. Yeah, man, that's a reaction, and you have a choice for a reaction. Yeah. So, what I'm saying is that if you change the way you think, a lot of the stuff won't even feel to look the same no more. It's the same. I don't know. We'll see.